Why?
Because they were cool and they went with our couch that we used to have, but I don't have anymore. Now they look like out of style. In that picture I didn't like them. I need to get the round kind that are in style. Not the, they look like country old fashioned or something. I spent a lot of money for those. Oh brother. I need a sofa. I need a new bed.
Why didn't you
New
do
brakes.
the kill the bird thing? The birds have died.
Because I didn't think of it. I really did want that thing on my face. And he knocked on my door, and I just started to feel like I had to go to the bathroom, so I went in there, and it shut down. And I hear this boom, 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 and I don't know what it is. Then I hear it again, and I think, oh, maybe he's got knocking on my door. So after that, then I couldn't go to the bathroom, right? No!
To the birds!
No!
The birds!
They're killing all the birds!
The
birds
are dying!
The birds are dying! They're all dying! The birds! Save the birds!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Save the birds! Remember when I used to be able to do it? With my hair all the way over and put my glasses on?
Yeah.
Save the bird! That's why she covered her face. She didn't want no one to recognize her.
No. It's like the birds are dying.
The birds are dying.
The birds are...
All the birds. They're dying. Save the birds. Fuck the birds. Fuck this camera. F you. Get out of my face.
Do a middle finger.
Don't you ever do that again. Do you understand me?
Hi.
What's going on with my hair?
It's the wicked witch. Oh my god. God, Yeti.
You want me to do my booty?
Ew.
You want me to do my booty dance? Should I do my booty dance?
Yeah,
for
do
her?
the booty dance.
But I gotta put a bra on.
Yeah, tell the world
Okay,
that.
give me some music. I need some music.
Oh my god.